What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add all your mods to a single collection in Steam. So let's get started. So first you need to install the Steam application from the Steam's official website. And after that, when you open the application, on the left side at the top, you can see the library section. Hover to that and then click on Homes. After that, choose the game that you want to create the or to collect the mods of, and after choosing, on the right side, you will see the workshop section. Click on this and then the workshop window will open. Now, from the workshop section on the left side, you can see this browse section. Over here to the browse and then click on collections. After clicking on collections, the collection window will appear. On the right side, you will see the button to create collection. Simply give it a click on the create collection button and then give your collection a title. The title to your collection, you can select a branding image by just clicking on choose file and then enter your logo. And then you need to describe your collection. And after that, you just need to select what kind of collection is this, like the items that are set, items that work together, or items that users should choose between. And from here, you can choose what categories does your collection belong in. And after choosing, when you are done, click on save and continue. And after that, you need to make sure that you have chosen a branding image. After clicking on save and continue, here you will be redirected to this page. Now, there's a bit of technical part. You need to open the Steam in console mode. To open the console mode, you need to press on Control plus Shift plus I. And after that, your console mode will be open. Opening the console section, you need to paste the code of the mods that you have copied from wherever on the Steam or on from the another website. And after pasting it, you need to hit enter. And if it supports, this will input it and then it will run and save all the mods in a single collection. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.